So, Junior Super Soldier Romulus, what are your thoughts and your game plan against Paris Thunder New
Nike
York?
ID.
I don't need a game plan. All I
Like
need
you
is
didn't.
LeBron,
Don't tell me
ring,
if you have a
and I'm gonna
problem,
kick his
man.
ass. Yes, exactly. I'm gonna kick his ass. No worries.
Alors, qu'est-ce que tu veux faire?
You know what? I think I'm gonna punch him so much that he's gonna have a better vision. You don't even need a glasses. Yeah, that's why.
Non, j'ai peut-être fait ça. You told me
I
that.
see
what?
him in the ring.
But you're not afraid of his knockout power?
Si Marie, c'est une vraie amie.
What fucking knockout power?
Cette affaire pour ton boss. C'est tout.
Afraid. Afraid is a big word.
Tell him
Yo, that's
that.
too
It's a
much.
little risky.
Let me see.
But I could stop it. I could take that punch.
I don't know. It's
Maybe
too
one.
much. yo.
Nah, those are fucking sick.
But I think I'm gonna hit him before
They're
he
sick.
hits me.
Look at the material, man. That's what makes them so sick.
I heard the winner is going
What is
up
that, Sway?
against
it's
Joe
like-
Vilsain for the
You see
heavyweight
the
title.
material of
Is this true?
On the
Can't believe that they put Joe Vilsain.
Okay, you know how my shoes are low top,
I'm
but
gonna
they have
destroy
like
him
this
too.
ankle bracelet on?
These are
Oh,
nice.
Yeah.
What is it?
This one.
Not even I'm gonna group
That
Joe
one.
Vilsain.
The
I'm gonna group
second one
Marley
is
too.
nice. Not the
It's
first
Doesn't
one.
matter who passing my path. I'm gonna destroy them all. Yeah, that's
The same thing.
So the super,
I know, but
so the
yeah,
super
I know,
fight
but
with
it's
Marty
nice.
Snyder, it's gonna
You
happen?
can choose your color.
Oh.
If he's once again a little bit of weight and face
Gray
the
one is
great
sick.
one,
I'ma get the
doesn't
black and
matter
red
what he
ones. All my shoes
does.
are always black
I'm
and
gonna
red.
lose weight a little bit to face him.
I like
I'm
the
gonna
orange.
kick his ass
But I
after
want the
that.
new hyperfuses.
But what are your plans after you get the title?
All I plan to do after the game.
To kiss my ass, son!